Hey everybody, did you know that Texas makes up words? And that's really fun because they make up weird legal words like muniment, M-U-N-I-M-E-N-T, muniment of title. Now that sounds very confusing, and today I wanted to talk about it because it's actually a cheaper and easier probate than other types of probate out there, and I think that a lot of people can qualify for it, and it would be great if you can get a cheaper, easier probate because probate is awful. So, if you have any questions on this or anything else, you can find me at my website, www.legionlawpllc.com, and we can talk about muniment of title or anything else. So, muniment of title is literally the only time I've ever heard the word muniment is in probate in Texas. I don't know why that is. I have no idea what it is, but that's the word they use, muniment. And it means that really what we're trying to do is we have a will. We're trying to transfer assets from a deceased person to a living person, and there are not many debts that we're worried about. The assets are bank accounts and house. And that's about it. Primary residence and some bank accounts. If you have retirement accounts and if you have cryptocurrencies and you have boats and whatnot, that's a different story. But if you have bank accounts, if the deceased person only had bank accounts and a house, and there are not many debts, in other words, there's less than 2 debts, like credit cards, student loans, mortgages, car loans, whatever. If there are less than 2, then most of the time you're going to qualify for what's called a muniment of title, and it's about half as expensive than normal probate of a will. So in Texas, there's like 8 different types of probate. Each one has their own different costs. Each one has their own different paths and procedures and all these weird things that you got to do. So muniment of title is on the cheaper side, is on the easier side, thankfully. And a lot of people can qualify for it, and I actually kind of recommend it. However, if you find out after the fact that there are debts actually, and that there's more than just a bank account and a house, and you got more problems than you thought you did, then you're going to have to start back from square one. So it's really, really important to measure twice, cut once, because if you have a muniment of title, really all you need to do is file some documents, go testify in front of a judge, and then follow up with some little bit of paperwork, and that's about it. You don't have to file with newspapers, you don't have to do an inventory, you don't have to talk to creditors, you don't have to do a lot, and it's really, really nice because it's kind of just a quicker, easier probate. So my strong recommendation is talk to an attorney if you think you're going to have to go through probate. Try to figure out if you are qualified for a muniment of title. And again, usually people who have, or the deceased person, if they have just a house, maybe some bank accounts, and that's it for assets, plus there are very few debts, and on top of that, there is no need for administration, meaning we don't have to go knock on someone's door to go access an asset. Usually you can qualify, so try to do that path if you can, because probate sucks. That's my motto. If you have any other questions on this, I'd be more than happy to chat with you about it. You can find me on my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. You can go to my Contact Us page and schedule a free consultation over the phone, or you can email me directly. You can email me at Derek, D-E-R-E-K, @legionlawpllc.com. So with that, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.